Given that 3 times 2 is -6, use a property of arithmetic to deduce that -3 times -2 is positive. So for this one, we use the distributive property. We say, well, imagine multiplying 3 plus -3 times -2. Okay, well, I know that that is 0 times -2 because 3 plus -3 is 0. And the zero product property says that that is 0. Okay, but also 3 plus -3 times -2, I can apply the distributive property and get 3 times -2 plus -3 times -2. Okay, so I have two expressions equal to, I have the same expression equal to two different things. Okay, so these two things have to be the same. Okay, so it must be that 3 times -2 plus -3 times -2 is 0. So -6 plus whatever -3 times -2 is has to be 0, which means -3 times -2 must be +6, right? The only thing you can add to -6 to make a 0 is +6. So this has to be +6.